4 to the power 2 equals 16. 16 minus 8 equals 8. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And 4 times 4 equals 16. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have exponent, we have subtraction, division and multiplication operators present. In the absence of parentheses, exponents take highest priority. So we need to solve this part first. 4 to the power 2, that gives us 16. Our expression becomes 16 minus 8 divided by 2 times 4. And now we have subtraction, division and multiplication operators present. As mentioned here, multiplication and division have equal priority, but we must work from left to right, which means we have to solve this division first. 8 divided by 2, that gives us 4. Our expression becomes 16 minus 4 times 4. Next on the priority list is multiplication. So 4 times 4 should be solved first. That gives us 16. And finally 16 minus 16, that gives us 0, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.